Mindfulness practices can be done through conscious breathing or body scan techniques. We will be going through the body scan technique, in which we slowly bring attention to each section of our bodies with observation, without judgment. Find a comfortable position lying down on your back. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if you prefer to keep them open. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. With each exhale, release any tension you might be holding in your body. Now bring your awareness to the tips of your toes. Wiggle your toes slightly and notice any sensations, even if it's just the feeling of your toes against each other. Is there any warmth, tingling, or tightness? Simply observe without judgment. Now gently shift your attention to your feet. To feel the weight of your feet on the floor or the surface you're lying on. Notice the sensations in the soles of your feet, your arches, and your heels. Are they cold, warm, or neutral? Travel up your legs, noticing any sensations in your calves, shins, and thighs. Are your muscles tense or relaxed? Is there any soreness or tightness? Simply observe with a gentle curiosity. Move your awareness to your pelvis and lower back. Feel the support of the chair or surface beneath you. Notice any sensations in your hips, buttocks, or lower spine. Again, simply observe without judgment. Now bring your attention to your abdomen. Feel the rise and fall of your belly with each breath. Notice any tension or tightness in your stomach or digestive system. Simply be aware without trying to change anything. Travel upwards to your chest and rib cage. Feel your chest expand with each inhale and contract with each exhale. Notice any tightness in your chest or shoulders. Simply observe with a sense of calmness. Shift your awareness to your back. Feel the contact of your back with the chair or surface. Notice any tension in your upper back or neck. Simply observe without judgment. Now bring your attention to your arms. Notice the position of your arms and any sensations in your forearms, biceps and triceps. Are your arms tense or relaxed? Simply be aware. Move your awareness to your hands and fingers. Notice any tingling or warmth in your palms or fingertips. Simply observe without judgment. Finally, bring your attention to your head and face. Notice any tension in your forehead, jaw, or scalp. Relax your facial muscles, allowing your face to soften. Simply be aware with a sense of peace. Take a few moments to scan your entire body once more. Notice any areas that hold tension and simply observe them with a sense of calmness. You can gently release any tension you find by taking a deep breath and exhaling slowly. When you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few deeper breaths. Slowly open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Remember, this practice is about cultivating awareness of your body and its sensations without judgment. You can repeat this body scan practice regularly to bring yourself into a state of relaxation and mindfulness. Thank you for joining us on this mindful body scan practice. We hope this guide becomes helpful in your daily lives.